Oh, recording. Oh my gosh, I just want to stop that too. Wait, yeah. I'm at the airport train. We were under, what's it called? Tornado watch. So yeah, like been raining all day. I don't know why it's still kind of video. I'm that bored. Okay, why tonight? And that was that show. My friend joined it for me, so like I know everything. Like, okay. Random video. Bye.